Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are happy to have you visit us. This is part 2 of our series on whether you should get an extended warranty for your vehicle. In this segment, we'll provide you with expert advice and practical tips to help you navigate the extended warranty landscape effectively. We'll cover essential steps and considerations that can assist you in making an informed decision about protecting your vehicle. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. Reliability of the car. The reliability of your car plays a significant role in determining whether or not you should opt for an extended warranty. If you own a vehicle that has a reputation for being reliable and has a low likelihood of encountering major issues, then getting an extended warranty may not be necessary. However, if you own a car that is known for having frequent breakdowns or costly repairs, an extended warranty can provide valuable peace of mind. Manufacturer's warranty. Before deciding on an extended warranty, it's essential to review the terms and duration of your car's manufacturer warranty. Many new cars come with a manufacturer warranty that covers various repairs and replacements for a specific period, typically ranging from 3 to 5 years. If your car is still covered by a manufacturer warranty, you may not need an extended warranty immediately. However, it's important to consider when the manufacturer's warranty will expire and whether an extended warranty would be beneficial beyond that point. Cost of repairs. The cost of repairs is another crucial factor to consider. If your car requires frequent repairs or has expensive components that tend to fail, the cost of paying for these repairs out of pocket can quickly add up. An extended warranty can help offset these costs and provide financial protection against unexpected breakdowns. It's advisable to research common repair costs for your specific make and model to determine if an extended warranty would be cost-effective in the long run. Length of ownership. The length of time you plan on owning your car is an important factor to consider when deciding on an extended warranty. If you intend to keep your vehicle for an extended period, the likelihood of encountering mechanical issues may increase as the car ages. In this case, an extended warranty can offer continued coverage and potentially save you from significant repair expenses down the line. However, if you plan on selling or trading in your car within a few years, an extended warranty may not be as necessary. Considering these factors can help you make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in an extended warranty for your car. Evaluating the reliability of your vehicle, the existing manufacturer's warranty, the cost of potential repairs, and the length of ownership will enable you to determine the best course of action for your specific circumstances. Remember, every car and situation is unique, so take the time to assess your needs and weigh the pros and cons before making a final decision. How to choose the right extended warranty. When it comes to purchasing an extended warranty for your car, it's important to make an informed decision. With so many providers and coverage plans available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. To help you navigate through the process, here are some key steps to follow. Research different providers. Start by researching different extended warranty providers in the market. Look for reputable companies with a strong track record and positive customer reviews. Pay attention to their years of experience, industry reputation, and customer satisfaction ratings. Consider reaching out to friends, family, or online communities for recommendations or first-hand experiences with specific providers. Read the fine print. Before committing to an extended warranty, carefully read the fine print of the contract. Pay close attention to the terms and conditions, coverage limits, deductibles, and any exclusions or limitations. Look for transparent and easy-to-understand language, and be wary of any vague or ambiguous terms. Understanding the details of the warranty will help you avoid surprises and ensure that it aligns with your specific needs. Compare coverage plans. Compare the coverage plans offered by different providers. Each extended warranty may come with varying levels of coverage, including different components or systems of your car. Assess your vehicle's age, mileage, and potential areas of concern to determine the coverage that would be most beneficial and cost-effective for you. Consider the duration of the warranty and whether it can be customized to suit your specific requirements. Keep in mind that the cost of the extended warranty should not be the sole determining factor. Consider the overall value provided by the coverage, as well as the reputation and reliability of the provider. Look for additional benefits such as roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, or transferability of the warranty if you plan to sell your vehicle in the future. By following these steps, you can make an educated decision and choose the right extended warranty for your car. Remember, a well-chosen warranty can provide you with peace of mind and protect you from unexpected repair costs down the road. Alternatives to extended warranties. When it comes to deciding whether or not to get an extended warranty for your car, it's important to consider all your options. While extended warranties can provide peace of mind, they often come with high costs. In this section, we'll explore a few alternatives that you can consider instead of purchasing an extended warranty. Self-insuring. One alternative to purchasing an extended warranty is self-insuring. This means setting aside a specific amount of money each month into a separate savings account that you can use for car repairs or unexpected expenses. By taking this approach, you essentially create your own warranty fund. Self-insuring allows you to have control over your money and eliminates the need to pay premiums to a warranty provider. It also gives you the flexibility to use the funds for other purposes if you don't end up needing major repairs during the warranty period. Setting up a car repair fund. Another option is to set up a dedicated car repair fund. Similar to self-insuring, this strategy involves regularly contributing to a specific savings account earmarked for car repairs. The advantage of this approach is that you can build up a significant amount of money over time, which can help cover unexpected repair costs. By having a dedicated car repair fund, you won't have to worry about monthly premium payments, coverage limitations, or deductibles that often come with extended warranties. It provides you with a sense of financial security knowing that you have funds readily available for any potential repairs. Utilizing credit card benefits. Many credit cards come with a variety of benefits, including extended warranty coverage for certain purchases made with the card. Before purchasing an extended warranty, it's worth checking if your credit card offers this perk. Credit card extended warranty benefits can provide additional coverage on top of the manufacturer's warranty, saving you the extra cost of an extended warranty. However, it's important to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions associated with these benefits, as they may have limitations on coverage and claim processes. Utilizing credit card benefits can be a cost-effective alternative to buying an extended warranty, especially if you already have a credit card that offers such perks. By considering these alternatives to extended warranties, you can make an informed decision about how to protect yourself financially when it comes to car repairs. Whether it's self-insuring, setting up a car repair fund, or utilizing credit card benefits, each option provides its own advantages and allows you to have more control over your finances. Keep in mind your specific situation and needs, and choose the option that best aligns with them. In conclusion, the decision to get an extended warranty for your car ultimately depends on your individual circumstances and preferences. While extended warranties can provide peace of mind and financial protection against unexpected repairs, they may not always be cost-effective. It is important to carefully consider factors such as the reliability of your car, its age and mileage, and the terms and conditions of the warranty before making a decision. Before purchasing an extended warranty, take the time to research and compare different providers to ensure you are getting the best coverage at a reasonable price. Additionally, it is crucial to read the fine print and understand the limitations and exclusions of the warranty. Consulting with a trusted mechanic or automotive expert can also provide valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Remember, an extended warranty should not replace proper car maintenance and regular servicing. By keeping up with routine maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can potentially reduce the frequency and severity of repairs, saving you money in the long run. Ultimately, whether or not to get an extended warranty for your car is a personal choice. Consider your budget, risk tolerance, and peace of mind when making this decision. That concludes part 2 of our series on whether you should get an extended warranty for your car. We hope the expert advice and practical tips shared in this segment have helped you make an informed decision about protecting your vehicle and your financial well-being. If you found this 2-part series informative and valuable, please show your support by liking, commenting with your thoughts, sharing these videos with others, and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement drives us to continue providing reliable automotive information. Thank you so very much for watching.